I'm in the bad books for myself because I did a bad thing. If you saw the last video, you know that my dog pulled this out of the ground as soon as I put it in. But I walked over it today without looking where I was going and kicked it clean out of the ground. I felt very bad, but the one good thing about me doing that, like hopefully it'll be okay, I've put it back in, I'll keep watering it, but there were roots on the bottom of it. So it was actually like not just slowly dying, becoming nothing, because I couldn't tell. It's very dead. I couldn't really tell if it was doing anything, but there were roots on the bottom of it. So hopefully it won't ever be taken out of the ground again and it will continue to grow. These are the coolest little bug. I don't know what they're called. I just randomly found him in here and I've only found dead, like found skeleton ones of him before. Look at him. How cool is this? I love nature. Look at him. It is alive. He's just playing dead. Poor guy. I'll wake him up probably. I was about to pull this out and not film it. But this is me harvesting my first ever onion. Such a pretty little thing. Going to eat this one tonight. I'm taking these out. I'm guessing I can just do this, and hopefully instead of it putting the effort into trying to go to seed, it just keeps growing the onion. That one's a red onion. I've done it here too on these ones. Snip them off to try and get them to grow. And I did this to try and experiment. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. I don't know if these ones are like a bunching onion. I think they might be. And not like an actual onion. I don't know how to explain it. But, so I thought, well, I'll chop them and then see what happens, like if they regrow. And they're growing. This is very cool. This is, oh, I didn't, it's a gold rush, I think. Gold rush cucumber. So I Googled, I think these things get huge. So that'll be interesting to see what they taste like. They're going to be yellow, like that. Never had them before. This is a beetroot I'm letting go to seed, but it's the only beetroot out of all these ones I've had here and all of them over there. This is the only one that has been green. It has not turned into like this purple. It's a Detroit beetroot. It's literally the only one, so I thought, well, I'm going to seed, let it go to seed and collect them. And then once it's done, I'll, I don't know, yank it out and see what it looks like. So I'm going to harvest these seeds and then this one. It'll just be interesting if I get all green looking beetroot and whether they're going to even taste any good. I have no idea what it means, but I'm trying it. But yes, I'm very pleased with the way beetroot have been growing. They've been really good crop, easy for me to grow. And the beetroot I jarred or preserved the other day actually did a very good job. I'm not bragging, but I made it taste like the store-bought stuff. The different coloured everlasting daisy is coming out. Here's the beginnings of it. My pumpkin, I was going to call it pumpkin thatch, but that probably doesn't make sense. But here's the rungs for them to all grow along. This actually looks deliberate how I've ended it, like that one finishes, that one finishes. That was completely accidental. They're all supposed to go to the end there. But hey, that one's going to take a while to grow. And I've got two here. So once these ones do get longer, I'll add more sticks onto them. Hopefully it works.